Ka Maharashtra Institute of Technology ni MIT University of Meghalaya Shillong kelapan benapat ba bahkan sapan long ke MIT Connect Shillong kaban salong haka Henry Tarik mtau benai Hussein Anthony's Higher Secondary School nadu kapor ka wish teng mestep hadu kapor lai bejajan met bad kapang jong kate ka program kade ka Entrepreneurship and Sustainability ha kate ka sngi ka University ka khosng bhaya baro khamtam ki samla pule banwan sakhi kate ka program balapan long da ka University kapan yuru ka jimentoi shibun Shushu ke MIT University kadai ka sedang nadu usnam arja khatwe balayo ka jing itu kum ka State University nadu usnam arja khat nioleng bada ka sarkar ka jing temu bakongsan ka University haka bayde bakati ka program kolong banwanra nakam ta ka jing mentoi ki samla pule ka jela barkum juru ka thain chatai lamingi jongkari India.
As the Act passed in 2017 and we established this university in 2017, MIT was the academic partner of this university since the beginning. And in 2017, MIT decided to take this university control fully. So in 2017 and 18, with the state government act, again one more act was passed by the state government education department as well as the law department. And the university earlier name was changed and currently we are known as the MIT University of Meghalaya. After establishing this university, our first motto to establish our own campus, because we believe that without having our own campus, we are not able to give proper justice to the student. Unless and until we give proper lab facility to the student, proper library facility to the student, proper giving facilities to the student, student life requires all these things. So our first motto was to establish our own campus. We were struggling a lot. Then with the help of the government, with the help of the local people, with the help of the local authority, we were able to crack the deal in 2020. We purchased the land on university name and registered the land on university name in 2021, 4th April. And it's a very good news, and I can say this is a coincidence that our act passed on 4th April and our land registered on the same date, 4th April. It was 2011 and 2021. So we have our own land currently in New Shillong area, and after having our own land, registered land on university name, we started building our own campus, our own permanent campus. Our presence is Shillong.
I represent the admissions department. The reason we have come here, there are two reasons. We're here firstly to talk about MIT University overall, and I believe Sir has explained quite in detail about MIT University. Just to add on what Sir said, we are here to gather the students, not only for the students in Meghalaya, we are here also to gather the students across Northeast. And MIT here has come for a purpose. MIT here has come with a project or a vision of sustainability concert learning in Northeast, where MIT has found that Northeast as a region and Shillong as a region has more practice on sustainability. That's one of the reasons also we have come to MIT to Shillong to set up the campus. And like Sir said that we are due to open our own campus, which is there in Mount St. Umrah. And we also very soon will host the opening or launch the opening of our campus. And to the other reason, we are here also to announce here that we are organizing MIT Connect Shillong event, that also on a topic of entrepreneurship and sustainability. That will be held on 6th of April 2024 and at 11:30 onwards. And we also formally inviting all the media team to witness the event. This will be a discussion not only from the team member from MIT University, but also from government officials from different departments that will be coming here to witness and also talk about the sustainability